Hi, my name is Vonny Vee, but my stage name is Vonny Vee. That's what my dad calls me. I was born and bred in Mutare, but I come from Mashinga, but I'd never mentioned that place because I've never been there. I didn't know anything about Culture Studios. I read a message from a group, Young Women for ED, about this recording thing. Then I was like, let me just try to. Maybe I'll be lucky. Then I came. My song is titled Turn Back and Walk Away. I wrote that song, maybe you're not going to believe it, when I was 16. I was in class, others were studying, and I was writing a song. That's weird. It's about, there was this guy. He was a married man. He stayed a few houses from where I was staying, and he was asking me out. So I was like, if I didn't know that this guy is married, maybe I was going to fall for him. But one day I was going to find out that this person is married, and obviously I was going to kick him out. So that's what inspired me to write that song.
Vonny coming through, my love erupted from the core of my heart, and I couldn't do without you, baby. I thought you were Mr. Right for my heart. You broke my fragile heart beyond repair, and my soul is in the fires of hell. Turn back and walk away. I don't wanna see you beg. I don't wanna hear you plead. So turn back and walk away. You're nothing to call a lover. Cheated me and lied to me, and I just feel I've been fooled by you. Yeah, my love spread around the crust of my heart, and oh, I had to reap persisting pain. So strange as it may seem, but it's so real. Nobody knows pain more than what I do. Better for you to walk out of my life. Turn back and walk away. I don't wanna see you beg. I don't wanna hear you plead. So turn back and walk away. You're nothing to call a lover. Cheated me and lied to me, and I just feel I've been fooled by you. Yeah, no, 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 no. Turn back and walk away. Turn back and walk away. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you. You're nothing but a cheater, and I just feel I've been fooled by you. Turn back and walk away. Turn back and walk away. Turn back and walk away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn back and walk away. I don't wanna see you beg. I don't wanna hear you plead. So turn back and walk away. You're nothing to call a lover. Cheated me and lied to me, and I just feel I've been fooled by you. Turn back and walk away. I don't wanna see you beg. I don't wanna hear you plead. So turn back and walk away. You're nothing to call a lover.